Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opening up with a very big gap up and then straight up going to a resistance, right? And then from there, markets taking a bit of resistance and then trying to move up through in the second half of the day, right? So what happened over here was very simple, right? Now market opened with a very big gap up and straight up went to a resistance. Whenever market does this kind of like a one-sided move, if you see, market went from 42,700 to 43, almost 43,300, right? Almost 550.600 point move without a pullback. That's when market will take a bit of a resistance, right? But as I said in the previous video also, that if the market opens with a gap up and sustains over here, then in this zone, then we can expect the market to move up in the coming days, right? So now is the time where we get a bit bullish, right? We were definitely bearish on the market, but now is the time I think where we get a bit bullish, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this trend line also. Yes, now is the time where we get a bit bullish on the market. And what can we do for tomorrow is very simple. Now if you see in the end market, market after hitting near 43,300, this was an area where there was selling happening in the second last time also. So from there market took a very good resistance. That means there was a good profit booking, and from there market went up in the second half, right? And I also did try to actually take put short position in 43,200, right? Once I tried to take this position over here, right, when there was some sort of a price action over here, when the high of this candle was broken over here, I thought let's go ahead and take a bullish position over here, because this is probably a good support in the market. So we could most probably see a bit of up move from there. But from there, if you see, markets kind of did not really take a good support, and from there we saw a sell off. So I had to take one stop loss. I had to take one stop loss over there. In the second half also, I tried to take a position over here, right? But actually my stop loss, trailing stop loss did get hit over here, and I had to take an exit, right? So it was very unfortunate, because from here I had shorted the option at I think 421, right? I'm going to show you guys the orders, right? 400, yeah, 421, right? So basically I had shorted this option at 421 over here. But yeah, my trailing stop loss did get hit, which was below this low over here. I thought if we break this low, then we could go down, but I forgot about this trend line that was coming over here, right? And because of that, I had to take an unfortunate stop loss, because from there, if you see, markets went ahead, that option is closed at 287, right? So I was expecting the market to again continue to move up from here, because this was just a profit booking, and now we could see a good up move from there, right? Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Because still the trend, we can capture the trend has not gone away, and there is still some like we can get a good place to enter into the market, right? So as I said, this zone will be very important. Today also market took a little bit of resistance in the end from that zone. So tomorrow, if the market opens with a gap up, right, say somewhere near 43, 200, 300, all these levels, and once you start seeing market coming back to this zone, and once market starts making positive price action in 5-minute chart, you guys can go ahead and take a long position from here. Keep a stop loss of 100 points or and not more than that, and you can straight up aim for 43,500 to 550 on the upper side over here first of all, because from here market can very easily go up to that point, because market is a bit market is holding itself a bit on these levels. Maybe after going to that level, market might take resistance and either come down, or market might stay at that level and start going up even more from there, right? So once we start seeing market taking support from this level, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. You can either book your profit at 43,300, or let the trade go up till 43,500 on the upside, right? Because if the market goes up from here, chances are market will continue to move up and go up till 43,500 over here, right? On the other hand, we should not open the gap down below 42,800. 42,800 will be a very important level to watch out for. If you are opening with a gap up below 42,800, that means market has now become negative, and that is when we will actually go ahead and sell aggressively, because from here market most probably will not take support of 42,700, and it will straight up continue to move down till 42,400 to 300, right? From there we can see a one-sided rally very easily on the downside, and then we could also see market making new lows in the coming days, right? So what can we do is very simple. below 42,800, as soon as you start seeing market making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. Do not go and take short instantly below 42,800, because what might happen is that market might go down below 42,800, today's low, and then again come back up instantly. So once you start seeing negative price action being made below 42,800, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short position below 42,800. But the best thing for us would be if market opens with a little bit of gap down. Why do I say so? Is because if market opens with a little bit of gap down, right, and starts to break this trend line, right, that is when we can go ahead and look for buying opportunities, because everyone will start selling, and that is when market will have a lot of sellers, and then we can see a good buying coming in from here. So if you open with a little bit of gap down somewhere near 43,900, 950, right, then start breaking this trend line. As soon as you see that market is not going down very fast, start looking for buying opportunities. Maybe see positive price action, and or if you are seeing market making a very good red candle over here, like a very good green candle also, right, sorry, very good green candle over here, then you can start buying also from here itself, because then a lot of people will get trapped, and then we can expect the market to move up from here, right? Again, if we open with a gap up also, as I said, wait for a little bit of pullback and then go ahead and take a buying position. Although if we do not see a pullback, then you can also wait for some sort of a positive price action to go ahead and take a buying position, and then we can expect the market to move up till 43,550 to 600 level on the upside, right? Again, if you open with a gap down anywhere below 42,800, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. So we'll only take short position below 42,800. Even if market goes to this level, right, and you see that market has trapped people and market has again come up right above this level, you can still kind of try to take a long position over here also, but only after confirmation, right? Because this is also a zone where market could come, show everyone that it is going for selling, and then go ahead and go above, right? That is something that can happen in the market. Nifty, if you see, was not really a good thing to trade today, because Nifty was kind of a bit way more volatile, you can say, right? Sort of volatile, but yeah, Bank Nifty did give a bit more proper moves, right? So what can you do in Nifty is very simple. Above 19,160, 170 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade in Nifty. First of all, till target of 19,230, and then if you see market not taking very good resistance, you can go ahead and keep a target of 19,300 on the upside in Nifty, right? On the downside, if you open with any sort of a gap down, if you open with any sort of a gap down in Nifty, right, I would recommend not trading Nifty and rather trading Bank Nifty, because Nifty has a support of 19,000 on the downside, which could act as a volatile kind of a support, and because of that there might be a little bit of volatility, and because of which your stop loss might get hit, right? So it's best to trade in Bank Nifty. But yeah, same thing as Nifty, Bank Nifty also, if we start seeing negative price action being made below today's low, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position in Nifty also, with a good target of first of all 18,950, and then second target of 18,800 to 850 very easily on the downside, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and market is still bullish. Do not think that market is bearish just because of this sell off today. This was just basic profit booking, because market went up to that level very fast, right? And whenever market goes up to a resistance very fast without any pullback, there is sure some selling that can happen, right? So do not think that this is bearish in any sense, right? We are still kind of in a bullish territory until unless we open with a very big gap down tomorrow, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.